Hi, my name is Shad Wood. I've been a heavy equipment operator for 21 years. Here are my tips on operating a loader. Walk the job site and look to see where the excavation will be. The materials will want to be placed close, but not in the way of the excavation equipment. Flaying sewer pipe, depending on the region, stone piles may be required and will want to be kept in the biggest piles as possible. Having too many small piles will lead to excess waste of stone when trying to carry it to the pipe bedding. Try to keep material piles on high ground if possible. This will keep you from working in wet conditions. If it rains, water won't pond around the material and become unusable or inaccessible. When finding a location for material and pipe storage, consider how long it will take to use them up. The key to choosing this location is to avoid moving materials around the job site multiple times. A good storage location will increase pipe production by reducing travel times and material waste. It is easier to bring pipe and materials in from the direction the machine is digging. Bringing materials in from where the excavator has been means you have to navigate past backfill machines and spoil piles, reducing job site congestion.